In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a soap container, kind of like a container bag for whether you're hiking, camping, or anything like that. This is exactly how I got this thing in. Actually, it came in this little case right here. That's not the easiest case to get open, but you know what? Eventually you get it open. And this is what you get with it. You get a little small mesh bag right here that will basically, I have some Ivory soap right here. It'll hold a wide range of soaps right here. And then you get this little waterproof ripstop bag. And this little ripstop bag also has a little carabiner to it right here. You just lock that little carabiner on right there. And this would also hold maybe a scrubber or something like that, a stone scrubber. But what you'll do, you'll put this down in here, and all of this is waterproof, by the way. You just roll this down. This is one of these little roller bags. A few little rolls, and then it goes around, and then it connects it like that. And there you go. There's your soap. So what this would be great, like I said, for someone to hook onto a backpack, whether you're hiking or camping or something like that. Me personally, I keep this in my van because when I want to take a shower or have hand soap for washing my hands or something like that, I'll have it all nice and contained right here. Then when you want to get it out, pretty simple. You know what? You just open it up. And it's a nice little bag. Actually, this little bag could be for a wide variety of things. It's a very high quality bag. Ripstop nylon bag, waterproof there with the little soap holder in there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the mesh and nylon bag soap holder. See you all in the next video.